Good evening, children. Today's concept you will be learning the cardinal and the ordinal numbers. Okay. First, let us take a look of cardinal numbers. Cardinal numbers are the number which you are counting, which says the counting of the numbers, counting any object or the numbers. See, the days, every day you count it as like 1 and then 2, 3, 4, 5, and it goes on till 10, 11, 12, 13. So the days you can keep on counting, and the objects also. Okay, we can count some objects. So here I have the dolls 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So totally I have 6 dolls are there. So these are the counting numbers are called as the cardinal numbers. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next, what are ordinal numbers? Ordinal number tells you the order of the number, that is the position. It says that the first, second, third, fourth and fifth. Okay, so now I can say I can say there are 2 balls that you see in between the dolls, right? So in between the dolls you can see 2 balls, that is a ball after the second doll, okay, and a ball after the third doll. So this is the first doll, this is the second one, this is the third one, and there's a fourth one. This is the 5th doll and that's the 6th doll. So we can see now we can see 3 balls in all here, 1, 2, 3, and can you see the ball here after the second doll, and can you see the ball after third and after the 5th. So this is how, when you say the position, the third doll, 4th doll, second doll, 5th doll, now that is the ordinal number, that you say, call it as ordinal number. Same way, I have another example here. We generally see the calendar, right? So the first month of the year is January, and then the second month of the year will be the February. Okay, you'll be learning the months of the year. I think you have learned it already. February. The third month is March. 4th month is April, and the 5th month is May. Okay, so it goes on this way, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, and see, May is the 5th month, and then June is the 6th month. So this is like May, it's a 5th month. All right, so same way in days of the week also, which is the 5th day of the week, shall we see? When you take this Monday as a first day of the week, actually in those days we learned Sunday as the first day of the week, but according to your textbook it is given as Monday as the first day of the week, because it starts from the working day. So Monday, if you take it as first day of the week, then which will be the 5th day of the week? Shall we count? So Monday, Tuesday will be the 2nd, then Wednesday will be the 3rd, Thursday will be the 4th, and Friday will be the 5th day of the week. So can you see here? So this is the 5th month and the 5th day of the week. Okay, so when you say the position of the days or the number or the alphabet or anything, that you call it as the ordinal number, that is the order. So this kind of example you can also see in your timetable. If you have timetable, you will see that I have English class in the 3rd period. I have my games in the 6th period. Okay, I have my lunch break after my 5th period. So this is how we say, that is a positioning of the numbers, and that are called as ordinal numbers. Order, position are called ordinal numbers. Cardinal numbers are the counting numbers, number counting. Okay, and I hope you understood this concept very well, and I'll do further more in your next session. Thank you, children.